Thanks God, it's Friday, this 12th day of February, year 2010 at around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Arrived here at our school for the classroom and office evaluation year 2010, the following Honorable Board of Evaluators all the way from the District of Abulug. We have Ma'am Auring Ragasa, Sir Joji Morales for grades 1 and 2, Ma'am Hilda Kabagi for grade 4, Ma'am Telma Anchola and Sir Bong Sagsagat for grades 5 and 6, and finally Ma'am May Makanaya for grade 3. And the third member for each group, we have Ma'am Irene Pasis taking care of the evaluation of the school office. February, and we are now here at Cabuluan Elementary School, and we are having, of course, our respected evaluators coming all the way from the district of Abulug, and they will do, of course, what the task that they have been asked to do so by evaluating, appraising whatever our school can show them. Okay, so I will be introducing to you, Ma'am, Sir, yung mga teachers, individual teachers who will accompany you to their room. Ito po yung mga respected evaluators natin coming all the way from Abulug District. We welcome you, Naranyag Ballesteros, Natalged Cabuluan. And sa labas, nandun ang ating district supervisor. And may we know now who is for grade 1, please? Grade 1 and 2. So, Ma'am, for the consumption of our grade 1 and grade 2 teachers, we have Ma'am Cheryl Aguinaldo for grade 1. Where is Ma'am Cheryl? And Ma'am Mending for grade 2. Ma'am, please be seated. Will you make it fast, Ma'am? Okay. Ni Ma'am po, yung
I'm Mrs. Ragasa.
Mrs. Ragasa. Ma'am Cheryl, take care of Mrs. Ragasa. Sir?
Mr. Joji Morales.
Mr. Jojo? Sir Jojo? Joji Morales. Ma'am Mending will be your tourist guide. Okay. And Ma'am?
Ma'am, I'm Hilda Kabagi from Abulug.
For grade?
Assigned to evaluate grade 4.
Grade 4 is Ma'am Gemma. Please take care of her, please. And dito sa bandang kaliwa, we have Ma'am. Yes, Mrs. Anchola for grade 5 and 6. Grade 5 and 6, we have grade 5.
And also Mr. Bong Sagsagat.
And two of you, Mr. Bong and Ma'am Anchola. Our teacher for grade 5 is Ma'am Priska, and for grade 6, Ma'am Lily. And how about you, Ma'am?
Sir, I'm Mrs. May Makanaya.
Yes.
The evaluator of grade 3.
Grade 3. Grade 3, Ma'am Bell will take care of you, Ma'am. Okay, sir? Grade 5 and grade 6. Okay, Sir Sagsagat. Okay, so we are ready, and Ma'am will stay here for the office.
And the third member of all the grades.
Oh, yes, okay. This is Ma'am Irene Pasis, right? Okay, so we welcome you once again, and Naranyag Ballesteros, Natalged nga Cabuluan. Okay, so we can proceed. Ma'am, take care of your evaluators, please. And ito po yung mga evaluators natin. At nasa trabaho na sila. They will be moving to their respective classrooms. And I'll be waiting for Ma'am Irene dito sa office. Yes, okay. Yes, potted plants. We do have potted plants. Big pots or small pots, Ma'am? Okay. Supervisor? Okay. So, ongoing na po yung evaluation natin dito sa Cabuluan Elementary School, and kinukunan natin ng video ang ating District Supervisor, Dr. Silvino Bisideo, together with Sir Tony. Okay? Hindi ko na-introduce itong dalawang volunteer teachers namin.
Pero pa, I guess na these are volunteers na ako because they are here in the office.
Yes, ma'am.
So that when you come in my office, yung naka-standby doon, yun din ang volunteer ko.
And this is Ma'am Rosales, a PSB volunteer, and Ma'am Hylene, community. For free talaga yan. Pati pambili ng lipstick, wala. So ito, si Ma'am Irene, bising-bising binubuklat po yung ating mga folders. And we would like to inform Ma'am Irene that yung folders po namin back up po dito sa computer namin. If you want to find out.
Yes, I will later.
Yes, okay. Tugaw kayo ata di kayo nakasad. Siguro ma'am, this is the best we can show lang, and we did our best, of course. Now, going over our file copies inside and stored within our computer, and she's asking for the latest, and we're gonna show her mamaya yung latest na memorandum from the Department of Education. So this is it, si Ma'am Irene taking all time para going. And finally, we have to thank once again and express our heartfelt gratitude to all the respected evaluators coming all the way from the District of Abulug for their precious moment in joining us and evaluating our school, Cabuluan Elementary School. Narañaga Ballesteros, Natalged, Cabuluan. To you, mabuhay po kayong lahat. Maraming salamat po, and happy Valentine's. Coming from the family of the think tank, Purveyor of Truth, Cabuluan Elementary School.